सच्चाई, सब्र, बेनियाजी और बसीरत, ये है हकीकी लीडर के औसाफ. That is truth, perseverance, selflessness and vision. These are the 4 traits of leaders. I have translated it into English. All good leaders, irrespective of technical leaders or national leaders or local leaders or consular, these are the 4 traits you will find them. Sachai, that is truthfulness. Sabr, that is perseverance. And Beniazi is nothing but selflessness. And Basirat, the long vision, where you wanted to be 10, 20, 40 years ago, ahead of you. These are the true traits of a leader. These slides are going to be uploaded in the P.E.C website. So what is leadership? Leading people, influencing people, commanding people and guiding people. These are the 4 main responsibility of leaders. Leading means उनको direction देना. Influencing means to positively align their energies and thinking process and to destroy the old paradigm that it is impossible and to build the new horizon that it is possible. That is influencing people. As a professor, as a university teacher, I try to influence my graduates and force them, not physically force them, I try to influence them constructively and positively that you can do this. And believe me, in most cases, they showed me the amazing results. Amazing results. Simply give them some encouragement, create some positive environment where they can realign their north and south. When the ordinary piece of metal, you align the north and south, it becomes magnet and start emitting the rays. We called it electromagnetic force of powers.